Hi, my name is Matt Rosenthal. I'm the CEO of Mindcore Technologies, and I want to thank you for visiting our SharePoint Consulting webpage. The fact that you're here tells me that you're using Office 365, most likely, or at the very least, you're considering using SharePoint to solve some sort of problem that you have in your company. SharePoint is a very interesting tool. There's a lot of opportunity. It solves a lot of problems. The starting point when it comes to solving those problems is figuring out what the actual needs are. What are the actual problems? What are you trying to solve? What is the outcome that you're looking to come up with? That oftentimes is best worked through with a trusted advisor or an expert in SharePoint. Our company is an expert when it comes to everything Office 365, including SharePoint. I encourage you to reach out to us. Give us a call, send us an email. Let's begin the conversation, and that conversation starts with, what is it that you're trying to achieve? What problem are you trying to solve? Then how can we take SharePoint and all of the features that it offers and have that line up with exactly what you're trying to do? I can promise you that the end of that conversation, if nothing else, is going to leave you with ideas, perspectives, and certainly some sense of where to begin that journey. So thank you again for visiting our page. I encourage you to reach out to us, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I really hope the information on this page is helpful to you. Thanks again.